dough manufacturing. So we have several dough combinations for developers particularly. So we manufacture with laminates, veneers, solid wood and all the engineered products. And we have presence around 6 cities and 3 tier 2 cities. And we are spread over 2 lakh SFT. And coming to the doors, I'll explain the range what we have. We have in natural range we have frames made up of steam beech, African teak, red maran teak, and mahogany. And for that we have combination of natural veneers as well as laminate doors. And coming to engineered range, we make laminate frames and laminate doors with the same combination. So we are manufacturing with completely automated technology, and we have complete imported range of raw materials. And coming to all the coatings and adhesives, we are importing from Europe, and we are giving 10 years warranty on all the product range whatever we produce. So coming to the clientele, we have all the major clients like Hallmark Builders, Vasavi, Rhizenia, NCC. Coming to our quality standards, all the products are well engineered, and we have experience of 40 years in the dough manufacturing, and we have all the teams who are technically sound enough to design the product, as well as each and every process we take care and give attention, and all the process what we follow is completely automated. Our motto is to make a pan-India brand. So that is the reason like where it is in promoting as well as giving the best quality at the best prices. This exhibition we had very good response, and apart from Hyderabad we are participating in Bangalore, Pune, Chennai, Kolkata, Goa. So as of now, just now it started and we had like 70-80 people visited, but out of which 20 people positive. And whomever they are seeing, they are impressed with the product. So they wanted the product at a good quality and good price like this. So everyone is satisfied.